Hey, Secondary 1 Math Projects, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 3 of your assessment paper number 5. Now, first things first, this question requires knowledge of secondary 2 stuff, which I am kind of upset that I did not notice because it's actually pretty difficult if you don't know the stuff. But I'm just going to make sure that I go through this with you so that you understand how to do this. There is some pretty cool stuff involved, so let's take a look. The question says this. The area of a rectangle is 120 cm. If the length is reduced by 1 cm and the breadth increased by 1 cm, the area gets increased by 1 cm. Find the present length and present breadth. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Let's draw a rectangle. Okay, let's draw a rectangle. And I'm going to call the length as x. I'm going to call the y as y. Therefore, x times y, that's the first equation, x times y equals to 120. That's the area. And they said if x minus 1, if x is reduced by 1 and y is increased by 1, what we're going to get is we're going to get 1 to 1, because 120 plus 1. Okay, that's the first two equations. Now, how do we do this? Okay, let's. This actually involves something called simultaneous equation, but I'm just going to do this for you without using simultaneous equation. I'm just going to open this up first, okay? So let's do this. We get x minus 1 times y plus 1. So x times y going to give you xy. X times plus 1. X times plus 1 gives you plus x. Minus 1 times y gives you minus y. Minus 1 times 1 gives you minus 1 equals to 1 to 1. So what we get here is xy plus x minus y is going to give you 1 to 2, because 1 to 1 plus 1. Okay, from here we are kind of stuck, but we have this xy over here and we have xy over here. So what we can do is we can replace it with 1 to 0 plus x minus y is going to give you 1 to 2. Therefore, from here you have x minus y equals to 1 to 2 minus 1 to 0 is going to give you 2. Okay, so we are kind of near, but how do we go from here? Oh, that kind of rhymes. Okay, so from here, what we can find out is x is equals to 2 plus y. Basically, I bring this over here. Okay, why do I do this? Because I just can't find anything else. And what I can do, if I really want to do this, is I can actually substitute this x into this second equation, because I got this equation from the first one, from the second one, so I can't use it. I must use the first equation. I think I'm kind of losing you right now. But basically, I'm just putting this this term into here. So what I'll get is 2 plus y times y will give me 120. So what I do, I open this up, I get 2y plus y squared equals to 120. Are we stuck? No, we are not. We can form a quadratic equation. So we get y squared plus 2y minus 120 is equals to 0. Now this is the part where I know you guys haven't learned yet as well. So it's equals to y plus something and y minus something equals 0. In this case, it's going to be y plus 12, y minus 10, because 12 times 10 gives you 120, and 12 minus 10 gives you 2. So you get y equals to 12 equals to negative 12, or y equals to 10. Can y equals to negative 12? Not applicable, because the length is actually a positive. So y equals to 10. Now, when y equals to 10, x equals to what? X equals to 2 plus y. Therefore, x equals to 12. So let's check. Y equals to 10, x equals to 12. The current length is 12, and the current breadth is 10. 12 times 10, do we get 120? Yes, we do. Okay, and 12 minus 1 gives you 11. Y plus 1 gives you 11. So 11 times 11 gives you 121. Does it? Yes, it does. So the answer is y equals to 10 and x equals to 12. And that is the current length and breadth. Bam. Pretty simple. Okay, so again, I'm sorry because this question does not apply to you. It only applies to those of you who are actually in secondary 2, which of course are not watching this. But I got this question from a book which combines secondary 1 and secondary 2. So that sucks. Okay, but anyways, this question is pretty cool. I really like this question. And remember, what you focus on expands. That's the code of the week. Now, if you focus on, oh, you haven't done this question before, I mean, you don't know how to do this, then most probably you're going to get lost. But if you focus on, oh, I want to learn, I don't care if it's secondary 1 or secondary 2, it doesn't make a big difference. Then guess what? You are going to excel, you are going to improve. In fact, if you watched this far, I'm pretty sure that you are going to improve because you watched the video just for learning. So with that, this is Coach Saiful giving you a very big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job.